Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to Christi's Kitchen.
Today we're talking about sea moss, the superfood packed with over 90 minerals, vitamins to boost your energy, strength, your immune system, and keep you glowing inside and out. Let's get into it. Write these ingredients down, save them in your favorite recipe book because this is some goodness for your soul, for your skin. It's goodness all the way around, guys. So don't forget to contact your doctor before trying any new health regimen. I love sea moss, okay? We're using two different types of sea moss, as you can see. We got a purple and we have the blonde. All right, you're definitely gonna need your lime, guys, because you know that sea moss, it smells like you're swimming in the ocean, okay? All right, we got a nice blend going on with our purple sea moss. We're making sea moss gel, guys, okay? So this is definitely something that you can hold and eat and use in your drinks, in your cereals, in your oatmeal, something to boost your vitamins on a daily basis. I eat it naturally with my mango and my pineapple gel every morning and every evening, and I love it. My skin loves it, my hair loves it. It's amazing. Right, Christi's adding in that vanilla essence. And a little bit of some raw honey. You can add as much as you like. Magic in a bottle. We're gonna start working on our blonde sea moss. You can get this sea moss online, on Amazon, in your favorite store. We have a link in the description box where you can find yours. Sea moss is a superfood that helps with weight loss, fiber, thyroid function, gut health, immune health, workout recovery, women's health, men's health. It's all around goodness, guys. Goodness in a bottle. Already, y'all see that our sea moss gel is packed and ready, full with vitamins and nutrients that's gonna keep you healthy and feeling full of energy. You can also use it as a face mask, guys. So definitely you can have it, save it, store it, use it, eat it, and live good. Amazing. Tasty. delicious.